Hi everyone, so in the following video we'll talk about the settings we have once you activate your blog page from this settings reading area. So first of all, what you'll need to do is select your blog page, and I'll go ahead and choose a test blog page. Below we have an area where we can select how many blog posts we want to appear on this specific page. So we'll go ahead and select 6. Okay, and over here, let's just go ahead and click on Save Changes. We'll go to our test blog page, we'll refresh this, and you'll see here that we have 6 posts. Okay, so the first set of settings that we have to deal with is located within the theme options area. So we'll go over to Layout. Actually, we'll go over to Flotheme, click on Layout, and over here, within our front blog page area, this area over here, we have the ability to select a sidebar located to the right or left hand side. So you can choose a sidebar. Let's say it'll be on the left side. We have the ability to then select which one of our sidebars we want to add, and then we'll click on Update Settings. We'll go here, refresh the following page, and you will see that we have our sidebar up here on the left hand side. So at this point, let's go ahead and deactivate our sidebar. We'll leave this at full width, click on Update, and we'll head on over to our next set of settings, which is located within this image sizes area. And over here within the image sizes area, there are several options. We have list view image sizes that we can adjust. We have grid thumbnail views, we have 50/50 views, and then we have this single page featured image. So this area over here, these three settings, I guess, are related not only to the blog page but also to the galleries page as well. Now currently the following page uses a list view. So what we'll do is revert back to our original settings. As you'll see here, I have 600 by 200, which in fact looks kind of ugly. So we'll go back and change to 1200 by 750. And you'll see that our default image sizes are listed over here. So we'll click on Update Settings, and we'll go here, refresh the following page, and we are back to normal. Alright, so yeah, once again, the following settings over here are for your list view, grid views, and thumbnail 50/50 view. And also remember that these settings do affect not only your blog page, but also your galleries page as well. Alright, so next off, our next set of settings is located within this content settings area. And here we have the ability to select the view type for our blog page. So let's go ahead and select this view over here. Next off, we have the ability to show or hide our excerpt on list view. Excerpt is basically this little text over here, so we can hide that on list view. And then we have the ability to show or hide our decoration images, and then down below we have our archive settings over here for your blog, for your galleries, and so on and so forth. Next off, we also have the ability to enable or disable our post date, which displays on our grid view. So we can enable or disable that option. And then we'll also have, this is actually related to videos, so we'll not touch that. And these are just additional settings related to your galleries, which we'll go over in a separate video. So at this point, let's just go ahead and click on Update Settings. We'll go to the following test blog page, refresh this, and you'll see that our view type has changed completely as well. Alright, so after that we have our final set of settings, which is located within the titles area. So we'll go over here, click on titles. Okay, and over here we have the ability to set our blog page title. As you'll notice over here, we have, even though my page is called, you'll see that it's called test blog page, and within the pages area it's also called test blog page, but my title over here is blog. So you can rename this title over here and just add, for example, welcome to my blog. And we'll click on Update. We'll go here, refresh the following page, and you'll see that it says welcome to my blog, even though the page title we selected is test blog page and it has this specific URL. All right. So scrolling further down within our titles area, we have the ability to change our category page titles, tags page titles, search page titles, all of that good stuff. Next off, down below, we can change the label for our blog archive. So this could be stories archives, for example. Then we have share post label. You can change this to share this blog post, share my post, share this galleries, previous post, next post labels. You can change that as well, and so on and so forth. So these are just some basic labels that are used throughout the website related to your social media sharing and so forth. So yeah, these are just the page titles that you can play around with. I do recommend that if you want to customize your blog or your website, go through these page titles and make them unique and make them the way you want them to. So yeah, these are the entire set of settings we have related to our blog page. And once again, these settings are activated only whenever you select your blog page within going over to settings, reading, and over here on posts page, you will select the blog page that you want to activate to correspond with the following settings. So other than that, this covers the entire set of settings we have within the Flotheme area. I do hope this video helps, but I do recommend that you also check out our documentation, and that link is in the video description below. And once again, thank you for watching.